commercial banks, government funding. Also, we have local and international investors and other government programs. In the resource, in the capability, the Tourism Development Fund, managing finding, also strategic partnership and supporting SMEs, also increase private investments.
Now with my colleague Ahmed Boy.
Thank you, Rehan. Now we'll be talking about the core competencies of the Trust Development Fund. There are many competencies that the TDF specializes on, but we have from the most, the strongest competencies. We have the strong financial support, which means they provide loans and guarantees to facilitate the projects to be established. And we have the second one, which is the connection between the private and public sector. So they play like a bridge role between them, and they facilitate the land, the permits, the policies. They may modify some policies in order to gain more investors to the country. So the last point, which is the competitive advantage, TDF attracts investors from all around the world, and will contribute also to projects like in the Red Sea that uses the natural weather and the environment as a major attractor for all the tourists from all around the world.